Good evening, ladies and gents. Hope you guys are having a pleasant Sunday evening. Of course, it's Sunday evening, so that can only mean one thing. What is the one big coin that sold this week? Of course, I like to, talk about moderns. Okay, there's a lot of fantastic, very rare varieties that could be found in a lot of the modern coins. Okay, anything from, I would say, 1950 to date. In terms of, varieties, whether it's a double die, repunchment mark, some sort of transitional reverse type thing, like the 92 cam and the 99, 2000, 98, wide AM Lincoln cents are great examples of coins that are highly prized, highly sought after, and they are a staple in everybody's search list. All right. So tonight we have a 1970s double die obverse. Okay, this is considered to be the 69S's, little cousin. All right, it is absolutely fun to find. Okay, number one. Number two, it's kind of tough to find. Okay, let's be honest, it's rather uncommon. I have found one example in the 25 or so years that I've collected coins since I was a teenager, in which I found one example and I literally gave it away. Okay, but we'll get to that another time. But this coin right here sold on GC, Great Collections, this evening. It is a coin that I've had on my hot list all week. These coins don't come up very often. Okay, this one is a pleasing example at a PCGS Mint State 65 red. You can't ask for anything more. If you're looking for a really nice example that's not too pristine and too way out of the price range for a lot of, usual coin collector armchair types, this one might be for you. However, a coin of this caliber, okay, still sells for a lot of money. It's not 69S money, but this particular example tonight sold with the buyer's premium for $11,812.50. Now, that is by no stretch of the imagination an affordable coin. Okay, and when you're comparing this to maybe the 1983 double die reverse Lincoln cent, okay, it's like apples and oranges. It's two different things. But this is a coin that's been on everybody's hot list for years. Okay, this is not a new discovery. It's been well known and well documented for the last few decades. So this is auction number, in case you want to look at the auction for yourselves. Okay, it probably doesn't provide too much more information other than what I'm giving you here. It is auction number 627711, and again, it's easy to find. Okay, the overall big picture, the diagnostics of what you're looking for are very recognizable under light magnification. Okay, as you can tell from this picture right here, the motto "In God We Trust" is going to exhibit the most dramatic doubling on the coin. Okay, it's kind of hard to mistake this for anything less. First thing you'll want to do is examine "In God We Trust," on these coins. Okay, and these are all going to be large dates. You're not going to find the double die obverse on any small dates. That's the good news. So the overall bandwidth of trying to find these is a lot wider because it's a variety that can be found on the more common large date 1970s coins. And the L in Liberty, okay, as you can see right here, along with the date, exhibits the least amount of discernible diagnostic features of this double die. The L, of course, is pretty well doubled on here. The rest of the letters in Liberty have light doubling with a little bit of notching. On the date, the 9 is going to have a double tail, and the 0 looks a little oblong on this one. Okay, those are probably the two secondary features that I would focus on. This is, again, it's not the 69S where you have extreme spread on the doubling, but In God We Trust is definitely the feature that you're going to want to take a look at, and that's well within the wheelhouse of this variety. So I wanted to share this phenomenal sale with you tonight. It's an absolute barnstormer of a sale that doesn't come up probably once a year if we're lucky, in a combination of all the various auction outlets, like Heritage Auctions, Stack's Bowers, Goldberg, that sort of thing. But it's a really, really good honor to discuss this evening, and it's another one that you guys should look out for because it's worth a lot of money. The example I found, which was a nice XF problem-free, I ended up selling for about $600 back in 1999. The coin market was a lot different back then. Coins like this weren't as widely sought after. As you guys know, the coin market and the precious metals market was down in a big way. Okay, it was trying to recover from just a overall great economy. Okay, but it's a different stage in coin collecting today, and these are highly regarded as maybe the top 5 most widely searched for coins in numismatics today in terms of moderns. So I want to thank you guys for joining in this evening. Do me a great big solid. Hit the like button. Let's help out the analytics and the metrics on getting me more recognized out there. Things are going in the right direction. I appreciate you guys. Without your support and your subscription to my channel, I couldn't have done it without you guys, as always. And again, Blue Ridge Silverhound, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell for instant notifications of new videos. I want to thank you guys again. We have a huge week on tap. We got some coin roll hunting that we're going to take a look at here in the next day or two. And, we're going to talk about classic stuff, what the coin market's doing, some new U.S. Mint product that we're going to be seeing, and possibly, taking a look at the long-term market watch of these things. But anyways, you guys stay tuned. I appreciate everything. And as always, you guys keep hunting and stacking and doing what you do. Would love to hear more of your success stories and special finds. You guys have a wonderful evening. Have a great week.